Welcome back to another video. Actually, to another video series. There is a collection of books that are part of the 111 places to see. And recently, I was given a copy of a book, 111 places to see, right here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So, in this video series, we're planning to retrace the entire portfolio of 111 places you need to see in Vancouver. You shouldn't miss them. Big thanks to the two men who I have not yet had the privilege of meeting, who contributed the content for this book in this series, which we are planning to now begin the reenactment, retracing their steps. So, let's get into it. Number one. The number one spot of the 111 places not to miss in Vancouver is here on the 1700 block of Dunbar, between 1st and 2nd. Houses, 10 of them, which were built more than 100 years ago, I think 1911, and they were built, according to their research, for the princely sum of between $3,000 and $7,000. 10 of them. 10 beautiful houses, still standing, probably with some renovations, more than 110 years later. It's an incredible neighborhood.
Yeah, I actually have the pleasure of working on a few of them.
I'm retracing steps of a book I was given, 111 places to see.
Really?
In Vancouver, and number one is the 1700 block of Dunbar, which is 10 houses built in 1911.
Amazing. The one on the very corner?
Yes.
I just completed last year with the heritage rebuild, the one with the gray bin in front of it right now.
Okay.
I'm currently working on with the full heritage renovation on it.
What is this, your company?
It's not my company, but it's a company I work for.
So if people are watching this and want renovations done, they should get a hold of you.
Absolutely.
What do you think the value today of these houses is in this area?
The one on the right-hand side, so the corner of West 2nd and Dunbar there,
yeah,
just sold for $7.5, I think it was.
$7.5 million.
Yeah. And that was just about 3 months ago. So please fact check me on that one, because you'll be able to
around
find that.
$7 million in this area.
I believe
And
so.
they were built for between $3,000 and $5,000 in 1911.
That's unbelievable.
Nice to meet you. Thank you
Pleasure.
for your time.
Talk to you
You're
soon.
a good man.
Take
That's
care.
a good man there.
Take care.
Did you hear that? $7,000 in 1911 would get you $7.5 million maybe today. Look at this beautiful house. Beautiful. Wow. Incredible. So, between 2nd and 1st on Dunbar, 1700 block, 10 houses in this area. 10 houses built in 1911. And for some reason, the two wonderful men I'm yet to meet the authors of this in the series of the 111 places to see. The 111 places to see in Vancouver decided to make this number one. And as we are retracing their steps in the order they've laid out in their wonderful book, which I was given as a present from a very kind sister, knowing that maybe I would make something of it. So together, let's share a little bit of the video of the book. But I encourage you to get the book. My book actually is signed. And then you too will be able to enjoy what I'm in reading the book and in making the video series of the retracing of the steps. 111 places to see in Vancouver. 111 places you don't want to miss. All right, let's get to number 2. I'm ready. How about you? I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am filming. And what a beautiful, overcast but beautiful day here in Vancouver. It's November 16th when we're starting this series, 2022. So if it's 50-52 and YouTube and Rumble are still around, I hope you're enjoying. This is the book I've been telling you about. 111 places in Vancouver that you must not miss. Advisor Danny. We've come. He wants to get on camera.
No.
Hey. Are you an attack dog? Are you an attack dog? You want to be on YouTube?
I sure got it. Boy. Go out doing street walks.
What's that?
Doing street walks.
What's that?
Good luck with the stairs.
All right, you're going to be on the YouTube.
Yeah, good. I'll look it up.
Advisor Danny.
Danny?
Advisor
Yeah.
Danny.
Awesome. Cheers. Cheers.
Be about a week or so and I'll start doing this series. I just did an art series, the East Side Atelier artist, and did some of their stories at an event last week. So I do different things. I'll include your dog. What's his name?
Prince Halloumi.
Prince?
Prince Halloumi.
Halloumi?
Halloumi, like the cheese.
Prince Halloumi.
Yeah.
Like
Hello,
the cheese.
He is.
Oh, look at that. You like cheese? He wants that stick. He wants to be petted. He wants to be on camera.
Oh yeah. He's all over the place.
He's all over the place.
It's his first walk of the morning, so everything's exciting.
Very cool. What a great friend you've got. Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy.
So, in 1923, it was a steel foundry. And they took it and turned it into